What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stale Ham Sandwich with iTrendz, bringing a trading recap video. Today we'll be discussing our day trade on Disney, where we took some 112 puts and some 113 puts, really taking advantage of the volatility with CPI coming in higher than expected at 8.3 instead of 8. We saw some extreme volatility. We saw the normal flow out during lunchtime, and we're able to actually capitalize on Disney twice. First off, we're going to start at this chart of SPY. You can see it drop from that 415 range all the way down towards that 400 level, right up towards that open, and then continue to trickle down all throughout the day. Now, that normal time where the market does tend to slow down or sees reversal is between that 11 and 12 o'clock range, where people in New York tend to go out to lunch. So we kept that in mind. We followed the flow of SPY, and then we took our Disney trade based off that. Now, Disney is coming off D23, where they had a lot of positive announcements, but they're still trying to work out whether that ad tier is actually going to pay off for them at night. So our first trade comes this Disney 112 put. We actually took at 9:45. We did swing some 115 puts for over 100% early that morning, but still wanted to capitalize, seeing some more downside if we can get under that 113. So after cutting our 115 puts, we entered those 112 put weeklies at 98 cents. When we got under our first take profit level at 112.78, we did trim 25% for 18%. And then once we got under our second line at 112.22, we ended up cutting 25% more of that position. When we started lowing out around that $11 area, that's where we decided to cut it out. Now, this whole time we did stay under that 9 to 21 cut rule. So you could have rode this out just for a little bit longer and you still would have been trimmed out right around $1.25, but that produced 45% in that short amount of time. Now we let that lunchtime kind of lull out. We did see the EMAs crossed that 9, went towards that top side. So you could have played it up for a little while, but we were still interested in the downside with weakness overall and inflation data being extremely high. So we waited for our cross when it came to that 9 EMA crossing that 21, where the 9 was leading towards the downside, to enter our puts, entered the 113 puts at $1.20, sitting right around that 2 o'clock area, the 2-3 o'clock area. So we did enter at $1.20, took our first trim just like we did in the morning time. We took the first one when it crossed our first take profit at that 112.78 for 33%, $1.20 to 159. When we hit our second take profit level, we did the same plan like we did. We cut another 25% for 67% profit. Now we were way below that 9 and we're coming too close. So we didn't want to expose ourselves to a bounce that was coming past that for going to that close hour there. So we did trim at 95%, $1.20 to $2.35, just to lock in those profits. And then when we did cross that $11, 111.50 on that bottom side, we did end up trimming 2 runners on that play from $1.20 to $2.54 for 112%. We are swinging some of our runner contracts just because we're free in profits going into tomorrow, looking for a potential 110 break. They are currently sitting at 225. Original entry was 120, so still way positive on that position. But it just goes to show you how you also want to play time when you are playing your trades, and look how that played out. You know, that 10 to 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock areas, normally when you see a reversal or continuation, you saw Disney try to reverse. The market stayed weak. SPY continued to stay down and trending down. So then all you had to wait was for your EMA cross, just like we saw here in the middle, and it paid off. 45% on the first go and 112 on the second for over 164% profit on that Disney trade during the day. This has been the Stale Ham Sandwich with iTrendz. If you'd like to see a little more insight on how we look into our plays, join our Discord. That link is below. If you like the trading recap video, hit the like, hit the subscribe. If you just want to do something nice today, give our channel a little bit of a boost and stay in tune with any of our videos that are currently coming out. You can also hit that alert button on YouTube, and that'll give you a ping to your mobile device whenever we do put a new video out. Like I said, this has been the Stale Ham Sandwich with iTrendz, and peace.